Welcome to my review of EngageBay, a customer relationship management platform designed to meet the needs of small and medium-sized businesses. In this video, I'll guide you through every feature, from its user interface to the key tools it offers for marketing, sales, and support. EngageBay combines marketing automation, sales pipelines, and customer support functionalities into one platform, making it a robust option for companies looking to consolidate their processes. Starting with the dashboard, EngageBay provides an intuitive layout that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. The home screen offers quick access to tasks, appointments, and an overview of your sales metrics. You can easily switch between tabs for marketing, sales, and support to dive deeper into each area of the CRM. Let's move to the marketing automation tools, one of EngageBay's standout features. Here, you can create email campaigns using the drag-and-drop editor. The platform offers pre-designed templates and allows you to track email open rates, clicks, and conversions. You'll also find options for creating landing pages, setting up web forms, and managing social media campaigns, all from one centralized hub. For sales teams, EngageBay provides a comprehensive sales pipeline management system. This tool lets you visualize your sales process with a Kanban-style board, track deals, and assign tasks to team members. The deal tracking is dynamic, offering customizable stages that adapt to your unique business workflow. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to check them out after watching the video. Point one area where EngageBay truly shines is its customer support suite. With live chat integration, ticket management, and a centralized communication dashboard, EngageBay makes it easy to provide efficient and personalized support to your clients. It also features detailed analytics to monitor team performance and customer satisfaction levels. The pricing structure is another highlight. EngageBay offers a free tier with basic functionalities, which is excellent for startups. Their paid plans are affordably priced and scale well with business growth, providing access to more advanced features as needed. While EngageBay excels in many areas, there are a few limitations to consider. For instance, some users may find the mobile app less feature-rich compared to the desktop version. Additionally, integrations with third-party tools, though available, are somewhat limited compared to larger competitors. However, the company continues to expand its integration library and actively listens to user feedback. Overall, EngageBay is a fantastic CRM solution for businesses that need a cost-effective, all-in-one platform without sacrificing functionality. Whether you're looking to streamline your sales pipeline, automate your marketing efforts, or provide top-notch customer support, EngageBay has you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.